Welcome to this tutorial on how to limit the number of items displayed per page in WordPress. In this walkthrough, we will guide you through the process step by step in a clear and concise manner. We begin by directing you to open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the login option, which you can find conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page. When you are ready to sign in, simply click on the login option. This will take you to a new screen where you have the opportunity to choose your preferred method of authentication. In this case, you will notice an option that allows you to continue with your Google account. Click this option and then select the account you wish to use. This streamlined approach makes it easy for you to access your settings without needing to remember yet another password. After successfully logging in with your Google account, you will need to navigate to the section where your posts are managed. Look for the area labeled as Posts. This is where all of your content is organized, and it serves as the starting point for limiting the number of posts displayed per page. Once you are in the Post section, you will notice a set of controls and options at the top right corner of the page. Within these controls, you will find a toggled area labeled Screen Options. Click on Screen Options to reveal additional settings that allow you to customize your content display. The Screen Options panel is designed to give you greater flexibility and control, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the options available. In the panel that appears, locate the setting that lets you adjust the number of items per page. This is the central part of the process. By decreasing this number, you can ensure that your pages load faster and that the content is easier for you to manage and review. Look for a field or setting that allows you to enter a new, lower number for the items per page. Once you have made the desired change by decreasing the number, the final step is to confirm your changes by clicking on the Apply button. This step is crucial as it updates your settings and applies the new limit to how many posts are displayed on each page. After clicking Apply, take a moment to check that the changes have been implemented correctly on your page. This completes the process for limiting the number of items per page in WordPress. Each action, from logging in to adjusting the settings and applying the changes, helps you streamline your content management experience. Enjoy the improved efficiency as you manage your posts with greater ease.